Let's learn about amazing trucks. These vehicles help people carry heavy loads and build our world every day. Are you ready? Let's go. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Dump truck carries dirt, sand, and rocks, then dumps them out. Excavator. This is an excavator. Excavator has a big arm and bucket to dig deep holes. Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozer pushes dirt and clears land with its strong blade. Cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. Cement mixer mixes and pours concrete to make buildings and roads. Crane truck. This is a crane truck. Crane truck lifts and moves heavy things very high. Loader. This is a loader. Loader scoops up dirt and materials and loads them into trucks. Backhoe. This is a backhoe. Backhoe digs, lifts, and moves dirt with its front bucket and back arm. Tandem roller. This is a tandem roller. Tandem roller smooths and compacts asphalt when building roads. Road roller. This is a road roller. Road roller presses and compacts soil or gravel to make the ground firm before paving. Delivery truck. This is a delivery truck. Delivery truck brings packages and goods to stores and homes. Semi-truck. This is a semi-truck. Semi-truck hauls big trailers full of cargo across long distances. Tanker truck. This is a tanker truck. Tanker truck carries liquids like fuel, milk, or water. Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. Garbage truck collects trash from homes and takes it to the dump. Monster truck. This is a monster truck. Monster truck has giant wheels and can crush cars at shows. Pickup truck. This is a pickup truck. Pickup truck has an open back to carry tools, materials, or cargo. Logging truck. This is a logging truck. Logging truck carries big logs from the forest to factories. Car carrier truck. This is a car carrier truck. Car carrier truck transports many cars to dealerships. Container forklift. This is a container forklift. Container forklift lifts and moves big shipping containers at ports. Forklift truck. This is a forklift truck. Forklift truck lifts and moves heavy boxes and materials in warehouses. Bucket truck. This is a bucket truck. Bucket truck lifts workers high up to fix streetlights or power lines safely. Refrigerated truck. This is a refrigerated truck. Refrigerated truck keeps food cold while transporting it. Snowplow truck. This is a snowplow truck. Snowplow truck clears snow off roads during winter. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. Skid steer loader is small but powerful. It lifts, moves, and loads materials in tight spaces. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.